Hello, dear friends. Dayton here with Rodriguez Cleaning Services, and today I want to talk to you about Morphe oil and mop and gloss, if that's a good product for your hardwood floors. And I can tell you that if you use those products, you either like it or you hate it. But in my opinion, that will end up damaging your floors. As you can see on this video, we have to clean this floor because it has some kind of haze look, some kind of residue, and then every time their pet walks through, it leaves a lot of footprints. It doesn't seem like it's cleaning well, and the reason is because this Morphe oil, this mop and gloss, it has some kind of oil residue. It's mixed with some kind of oily product that it attracts dirt, and that's why you shouldn't apply or use any of these products if you want to keep your floors looking nice and clean throughout the time. But I hope you don't use the product, and if you do, just be careful because it could be permanent damage, or you will be dealing with residue that is going to take you longer to clean and to maintain clean. If you got any questions, please leave your comments on the video. Thank you. Bye-bye.